A museum security guard who discovers secret hidden rooms.
Level 1.
You swipe your ID and step into the marble lobby. Security cameras hum overhead. Your first night is quiet, too quiet. You check the East Wing. Paintings, sculptures, glass cases, nothing moves. The old guard nods from the break room. First week, stay sharp. You pass the Egyptian exhibit. A small door half hidden behind a tapestry catches your eye. Nothing on the map, nothing in the guidebook. You shrug and move on. Level 2. Next night, curiosity tugs at you. The tapestry door. You press it. Locked. Not with a normal key. You make notes. Study the hallway's shadows. Late hours stretch. You hear footsteps that aren't yours. The cleaning staff leave murmuring about strange noises. Your paycheck feels small compared to the thrill. A sense of hunger grows. Something waits behind that door. Level 3. You find the maintenance blueprint in a forgotten drawer. The door isn't a secret by accident. It leads somewhere else. You memorize keypads, hallway turns, emergency exits. One night, a faulty alarm gives you the chance. You slip in. Dust and darkness cling to the walls. You see symbols etched into stone, ancient, deliberate. The air tastes heavier here, quiet, like it's watching. Level 4. The hidden room opens into a small chamber. Candles burned out long ago. You find journals, names, dates, transactions. Some legal, some not. Money trails, bribes, rare artifacts moving quietly through black market channels. Your heartbeat spikes. You know this is dangerous, but the numbers fascinate you. Small fortune hidden in plain sight. You keep secrets. The museum is no longer just a building. It's a doorway. Level 5. Weeks pass. You map the corridors, memorize shifts, learn patterns. You can move undetected, control light, cameras, access. A collector calls, whispers an offer, cash, real money, big risk. You take the deal. No one notices the missing minor artifacts. You feel powerful, invisible, untouchable, but every shadow seems longer. Every reflection shows eyes not your own. Level 6. You expand your reach. Hidden rooms, false walls, secret safes. You control who sees what, who gets in, and who doesn't. You're making money no one questions. But someone else knows. A guard, a visitor, could be anyone. You notice things. A light flickers. A door closes slower than it should. Paranoia seeps in. Every step echoes danger. Level 7. You're at the top now. Maps, keys, access codes. You could walk out with enough to disappear. Power tastes sweet. Money stacks higher than you ever imagined, but whispers follow you. Shadows move in patterns you didn't set. You hear a voice on the radio, not your frequency. Someone else is inside, watching, smiling, waiting. Level 8. The trap snaps shut. The hidden corridors twist into a maze. Doors lock. Keys disappear. You hear your own heartbeat echoing. The journals, the cash, the secrets, they weren't meant for you. You're alone in the dark, but you're not alone. The museum isn't a building anymore. It's alive, and it's hungry. Level 9. Hours, maybe days pass. You lose track. Footsteps above, below, around. The money is worthless, power meaningless. Your reflection in the glass shows someone else, someone hollow. The secret rooms aren't just hiding things. They hide people, choices, time itself. And now, you're part of it. A warning etched in stone. Curiosity has a price, and the museum always collects.